Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me. So I want to see you press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys did such a great job last time on getting over 30 thumbs up. So if you guys want to continue to see natural hair videos, then I need this video to get up to 40 thumbs up, and then I will release my next hair video. But I will not release the next hair video until this video get up to 40 thumbs up and at least 15 comments down in the comment section telling me what video requests you would like to see from me here in 2025. And another side note before we get into this video, this is a flat iron for me. And the second thing, just in my defense, my husband started boiling water when I got done with half of my hair. So my hair did start reverting and it does look a lot fluffier than it would have normally looked. And if you know, water, boiling water and trying to flat iron your hair does not mix. And when I noticed that he was boiling water, I was just like, yeah, this flat iron is a wrap. So without further ado, here is my updated 2025 flat iron, blow dry, and trim hairstyle. Of course, we're starting out with freshly washed hair. My type for hair likes to be 100% dry before I go in with blow drying my hair. Please leave video requests down in the comments section if you want to see how I prep my hair for blow drying. All the products that I will be using will be listed down in the description box below. Once again, my hair is fully dry. My goal is just to stretch my hair from the braided pattern. To slightly re-moisturize my hair because it is dry, I will spray the BB cream heat protectant on my hair. With my comb starting from the ends, working my way up, I will disturb the braided pattern in my hair. Then I will gently, on high heat, high air, rake the teeth of the blow dryer across the top of my hair to disturb and stretch out the braided hair pattern once again, avoiding sticking the teeth of the blow dryer directly through my hair, avoiding breakage. Once I see the braided pattern has disappeared from my hair, then I will safely stick the teeth of the blow dryer through the length of my hair, blow drying on low heat, high air. After successfully stretching out the braided pattern with light heat, I roll my hair into a big bantu knot to keep the hair stretched and not to revert. And voila, it's as simple as that. I have successfully blow dried and bantu knotted up my entire head, and I repeated those steps on every single section, and I just have this last section to show you guys once again if I did it a little too fast in the first section. just a quick length check for you guys. In the front, I am well past armpit length, and in the back, I have just reached waist length.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Here you go. Fluffy, blow-dried hair. Now the next step is going to be flat ironing.
Get me out of now. To where we started out.
After blow drying, I like to observe my ends to see if I need a trim, and yes, they were in need of a trim. Because I suffered from heat damaged hair back in 2009, I don't like to have my heat above 350 or 400 degrees. So I start out at 300 degrees and work my way up from there. And I also don't like to do more than one full pass down the length of my hair.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh, no.
It's always very refreshing to see how the flat iron, even at such a low heat, will take the kink that the blow dryer couldn't take out. It makes the combing out process a lot easier if you're going to wait to style your hair the next day in a blown out state. Flat iron your hair at a really low heat. You will thank me later. Now it's time for that quick trim. I do not trust anyone to trim my hair or cut my hair. I've been doing it successfully over the past 15 years and it works for me. But if it doesn't work for you, you can trust someone to trim your hair properly. But I've had no problems trimming my own hair at home.